Now Dad's going to put the axles and the wheels.
That's right.
So I'll hand it over to you. So he's going to get some glue in his pot. And he's going to get his brush and brush it in. And just get not too much glue, but enough to stick. And then he's going to wipe it off so it won't stick when he oils and stuff. And he's going to put a piece of cardboard in where the wheel is, and then he's going to put in the axles like that. And he's going to do that on the same side again. And he's cut the axles so they're in the right position, so they're not all sticking out like that. And then he's going to drill a hole there like that, where he's put some markings. And he's going to put little ones like that in there. Going to same thing. And then wipe off the glue. And repeats that on the other sides. And put it in like that and drill 2 holes like that. And get it away so the glue doesn't stick to it. And uses little, what are they called?
Little barbecue skewers.
Cool. Little barbecue skewers, and he'll glue them in. Does that just hold it?
Yeah.
Like that, and he'll wipe the glue off. So now Dad is going to cut the barbecue skewers with his saw, and he's just doing it on the side. Pretty easy. Just holds it a bit easier. It's pretty easy and quick, like that. And that makes it look a bit cool as well.
And we'll just
sand
sand it off a little bit.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yay. Like that.
That's it. And a bit of the sand.
Oops.
Oops. That's alright. Yep. Beautiful.
Like that. That's it. It's cool. And now I'm sanding this so he can put these little things on like that.
Okay.
Once it's sanded.
That's it.
Is that good?
That's very good. Yeah, a little bit. That's
Get it
fine.
all off. Then we'll do this side.
Yeah.
Just to get it nice and soft.
Beautiful.
So now Dad's gonna super glue these little pieces of wood with super glue because he needs it to stick really well. Don't put super glue on 2 fingers because otherwise they'll stick together. Have to be very careful. But Dad is very careful when he does it.
There we go.
And
This one.
before Dad lined them all up in the video, and then he just flips them over and he tries and makes it as even as he can. And this one's just a clear one, not like the other one is a bit more whitey, creamy colour.
There we go.
So he's done them,
Let that dry.
and they'll glue pretty quick. They'll dry pretty quickly. Correct?
Yes, that's right.
Because they're super glue.
There we go.
So he's done one side and now he'll do the other side. So now I'm going to glue on the part here. Not too much. And Dad's put some lines where he's going to do some super glue. So I'm not going to put it there. He's going to put super glue in the middle. So it will stick on a lot more. So it'll be like absolutely secure. So just not too much, just a little bit is enough. And just dab it on, not too much, like that. And I'll keep that there, then I'll give it to Dad. Do there any more?
A little bit more on there.
On this one?
Yep.
That's it, a bit more here.
And a bit more on this one. Yeah.
And this one?
Yep.
And this one?
Beautiful.
Like that. And now Dad's going to do the super glue there and there. So, the super glue he'll just put little dots with there, making sure he won't touch it. And
This way?
yeah, and then he'll pop it on, making sure it's the right way.
Yeah.
And like that. And then will you clamp it?
Yeah.
Then you'll clamp it. If you heard. Do you want me to give you a clamp, Dad?
Yep.
You go. Choo.
Somehow.
Where'd you get these clamps from?
Oh, at the hardware store.
Bunnings?
Yeah.
I've seen them at Bunnings at least. They're pretty good ones. I know a quicker way how to do it.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Another clamp? Maybe? Yeah, wait, put that one on. That way.
No. I thought you should put it there into there.
I might try another one then. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
That'll hold
Good
it.
idea.
Hmm. What about on the side?
Yeah, that should be right, man.
Mhm.
There we go. We'll let that dry.
And now my dad has finished it all off, and these are the fences, and I'm gonna put them together so you can do it over and grab it over, put it underneath, over and underneath, and there's that one left. You can see how cool it is with the things, with our two ones and our horses and our cow and our cool little tractor and our horse here with our man can go here, or they can go on the horse here like that, and our piggies and our dogs there, chicken, and that's about it. And it's fun to play with.